Hey everybody, welcome back to IP Farms. Well, we're going to work on the truck here again today. Imagine that, right? Seems like that's all I've done over the last 2 months. I think the last project you saw on the truck was the batteries. We got those in and situated, so it's the little things now. Hopefully it'll go a lot smoother than that. Mirrors, front hubcap seals, windshield wipers, got a wire for brake light here on the back, mud flaps, little things like that. So thought this whole deal would go really quick on the few things I had to do on the truck, but it seems like I have the worst luck of anybody that breathes. So if it's simple and supposed to go easy, it goes all to pieces. But we'll see what we can do. So we'll get a few highlights here or there, and hopefully be able to wrap the truck project up on this video, at least for what we're going to do now. Stay tuned. Well, there's not going to be much for non-shadowy shots today. Sun is blaring. Might even see a few droplets of sweat because I sure have them rolling off my forehead. Anyway, take in here in a minute to show you the nice mud flaps that I got with other parts truck, but these are made to cover the leaf springs instead of the airbags. Other ones are made to mount the frame, so when I put them out here on this piece, it wasn't going to cover the inside tire. Didn't really have time to fabricate another bracket, so I just bought some cheap plastic rubbery mud flaps that pretty much close to go back into ow, y'all knew I was gonna mash my finger, didn't you? Anyway, to go back into these old brackets, this one's rusty as I'll get out. The other side's not too bad, but we'll see what we can do. But we have those nice ones. I mean, they're basically brand new. Gotta straighten that piece out a little bit, but heavy duty rubber, got the little chrome accents on it and some reflective tape, but they're just too they're made to go. You see the difference between the distance between the edge of the mud flat and the frame, and that's about what mine is for the leaf spring. So we'll have to hold off on putting those on for right now. I believe that'll be presentable. About messed up. That one's rusted almost in two, and that big old spring's in there. I went to bend it just a little bit and just about tore it apart there. Hopefully that'll make the road trip. We might have to not make these a temporary permanent fix. But it's on there. My phone. I don't know, we'll have to see. I think so. I think the mud flap's got enough flex it won't go far. Well, there it is. It's not perfect. The vent window arm is kind of in the way. It's been a long time since I've had a truck with vent windows. What I drive as a daily does not have that, so I'm a little spoiled. Maybe with two people here, I might can adjust it and tweak it a little bit more. But it's fine for right now. The main thing I use anyways is a spot mirror. So I'll show you on the truck over here. See, the mirror attaches to the door on that truck, and that one over there is a 91, this is a 90, so I'm sure this is something again from Consolidated Freight where the mirror attaches to the A-pillar and the roof, and the cowl has nothing attaches to the door. I don't know if there's a reason for that. I'm guessing probably because these Freightliner doors are so flimsy, aluminum, doesn't take much of the rivets to start coming loose and the mirror rattling, but I don't know. Anyway, let me see if I can get this driver's side on and move on to another project. I can tell you one thing. I have never had something fight me as much as I have the stuff on this truck. I think I said it earlier in the video. It's the simplest things that are giving me the biggest fit. honestly. I mean, mud flaps and mirrors. Can't keep anything in my hands. Never had the right size wrench. I mean, I'm used to the black cloud, but my goodness, this one's been exceptional. So, I don't know, but we're getting there. Slowly. I'll be honest with you, it was a break to begin with, but I'm ready to go back farming now. So I'm ready to get this thing roadworthy and trailer worthy. Go get the trailer and be finished with it. Is that even how it's supposed to go? I think so. That mirror over there's bent. It's about to drive my OCD crazy. I know. Let's see. I think it's that much. Well, I'm not gonna sit here and make you watch me tighten everything up. I've already made you listen to me fuss. This is if I can get all this tightened up where it needs to be and bring you back. Let's see how much of a mess we can make. Not too awful bad. The other side was busted. This side's a little low on fluid, I knew that. But the other side was busted. So let me go get the new parts. Alright, now we got the new one here. I'll put some high-tack Permatex on it. And we'll stick it on. I don't think I'll have to replace this in my lifetime, I doubt. No more miles ain't gonna be on it, but time will tell. So let me get this cleaned up and I'll bring you back when we'll get it on there. What the warm weather's brought out the motorcycles today. All cleaned up. Who forgot to get the oil to go back in it? Yeah, that would be me. Oh well, get some tomorrow. Well, hopefully you enjoyed the videos on the truck, guys. Had several of you ask for a little bit more content on what I was doing. I tried to hit the high spots. Wasn't a whole lot. Seemed like just a little handful of stuff, and it's been like 2 or 3, 4 weeks. But I believe it's good enough to be invisible from the DOT now, and it'll take us up the road just fine. Windshield wipers, air lines, and put some oil in the front hubs. I believe we're good to go. Looking forward to getting it out in front of the shop. I think I'm gonna move Gordon's truck over there. I've got the parts lined out for it. We got to get back on the header in the shop. Wheat harvest will be here before we know it, and I'm getting ready to ramp up about putting some seed in the ground. May already have by the time you see this, I'm not sure, but definitely stay tuned for all that if you're interested. Hopefully didn't get too turned off by the truck videos, but that's what's been going on here at the farm, and you know that's going to be a farm equipment hauler for sure, especially with a new trailer coming. So thank you everybody for being here. Really appreciate you following on the journey with me. It's like a box of chocolates, you never know what you're going to get. Until next time, thank you.